what time does it usually?
Well, the low tide oh, Fing, that's a fish. Okay, bring yours in. Yeah. Is it a fish, Fing?
Yeah.
It is, right?
Yeah.
Try keep your rod a bit lower. Yep. That's a bigger fish. I think we might keep this one. Flathead, yeah? Keep on going, keep on reeling, keep on reeling. Rod over there, yep. Lift, lift, oh, lift. Oh, yo. Yes! Oh,
nice.
Oh!
That's a mammoth now.
That's a fish. Okay, help. I say 55.
Oh my goodness. Can I
Yeah,
take a photo?
that is 55, 56, yeah.
56. From Sydney. Oh yeah, you got one.
Oh, come on. Look. Not a big one.
Bring yours up. Taylor. Keep on reeling. Yep. Rod over there, yep. Oh, keep on reeling, keep on reeling. It's a Taylor. It's a good sized Taylor. Hopefully we can keep it. Bring it in, bring it in, bring it in, bring it in.
Yeah.
No. Oh, missed. Keep on going, keep on going. Oh, it's a good sized Taylor. Keep on going, keep on going. No, missed.
Yeah, lose it.
Come on, come on, come on, come on. Lift, lift, lift. Come on, JB, lift. Yeah. He's coming home. Come. Come, JB.
Yeah, perfect.
Here you go, 35.
Yeah.
35, it is. They eat, oh yeah, that's a fish. Rod over there. Yep. Keep on going. Yep, flathead. Oh, it's a small one. Just crane him in. Crane him up. Yep. Yep. Yep.
Oh,
Bye, fish.
Yes, we got one. Two, Nakai, yay! Yay! Tied up. Okay, inside the bag, we put in a. Okay, Derek.